So we are off to look at our first outcrop. We've learned about how to make our notebooks. We are now off to learn how to do a little stratigraphic log. What we're looking at is the outcrop of the Scarborough Bluffs. Now initially, to everyone, it's just going to look like one huge, massive rock that we're going to break up. 3 different layers: the Scarborough clays, the Scarborough sands, and the Sunnybrook layer of clay at the top. What is really interesting about the layers is that it marks the earliest points in our geological history of the field trip. All these were laid down about 75,000 years ago during the Wisconsin glaciation. It used to be a huge muddy river delta, a bit like the Nile today, but actually Arctic conditions in the region of Lake Ontario. Had huge river deposits going in, mainly these clays, and then you have the sands on top of it, and the contact between the clays and the sands in the Scarborough Formation is where you got a huge amount of drain water seepage, which is causing huge amounts of erosion, which is breaking off as they're eroding away. Yeah, in the 80s there was huge amounts of studies done on these cliffs, but now most of it being eroded away into Lake Ontario. And the erosion of this is actually so much that they've formed the Toronto Islands a little bit further west than here over time.